Hey beautiful people, welcome back. We have Ipsy Glam Bag, I'm pretty sure. Very tiny. So let's crack it open. And this is the bag for September. Sorry. Okay. I mean, it feels very plasticky, kind of cheap, but I like the pearlescent, opalescent vibes here, giving purple. Ipsy tassel here. And let's see if they tell us what's in the bag. So September is you got this. So what are the thoughts on the bag? I don't know what is going on with this hair. I think it's cute. Feels cheap, but let's see. 5 mini size, deluxe size, travel size, trial size, and usually you get a full size item. And if you're lucky on the things that you pick, you can get more full size products. So you get to pick one item out of this bag. It's $13. They're advertising for Netflix, The School for Good and Evil. Sounds cool for October. And yes, we have prices. So, okay, the first thing is this brush. This is Firma 204 brush. This looks nice. It looks nice just to get in there. Doo -doo 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 -doo. Yeah, that's a nice brush. I like getting brushes. So this is a 204 wide blender brush, full size. This would be $10. Use it to apply setting powder as well. That's their tip. Next product. Oh, this is cute. Basic packaging. It's Tween Tea tightening cream. This is a deluxe sample size, and full size would be $45. So what is this supposed to do? This is 0.35 ounces. Firmer, tighter, more plump skin. Add this cream to your arsenal. Apply this before you moisturize. So let's see what it's all about. I mean, this is just a sample, right? But I like the little packaging. Oh, it has a little lip here. Ooh. It has a slight scent, I will say that. A slight scent. That's cute. This is Golfaden MD. And where is it? Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This is a deluxe sample. Pro tip, pop it into the fridge for a few minutes to depuff your eyes. Full size would be $55. And this is 4 mLs. Wow. So it's not sealed. We're not going to put it on, but pricey brand. Okay, and then this was my pick, the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. I have gotten this before. I really, really like it. Plus, oh, and it has like that lightly perfumed, I can't even, kind of like Victoria's Secrets, lightly perfumed. It's not really full, but it'll do. 1 ounce is a great enough sample to do maybe 2 or 3 scalp treatments, but this full size would be $38. So this is a deluxe sample. It says, for best results, after shave results, use this scrub to exfoliate your legs before shaving for silky smooth post-shave skin. Oh, that's a cool one. And this is Melrose Place, so that's the scent, I bet. Okay, so that was 4. Last item is Basic Beauty. Basic Beauty. Lipstick in Fall for You. This is full size, so we did get 2 full size products. The brush and the lipstick. Okay, so Basic Beauty. I think I've seen this swatched. So Fall for You is the color. Very basic packaging, I will say. Ooh. I mean, it comes off red on camera, but it's looking more like the shades I would like. Should we swatch it? Oh, it smells good. No, I'm not. But if I do decide to keep it, it is one of those colors that I like. It says apply more than one layer for more pigment. So that's cute. What do you guys think about this bag? I got a lipstick, I got a makeup brush, I got a scalp and body scrub, I got a firming moisturizer, and an eye cream. Only makeup here is lipstick, but for 13 bucks, they guarantee over $50 value. So I think it was pretty good. I like the way, and it was a hard decision because this is super pricey and I would never really pay $38 unless somebody gives me a gift card, maybe. But I don't use scalp treatments all the time, so I like it. And I'm happy this bag came. So you guys let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and I will see you on the next video. Stay safe.